This video explains how to use the extractor fan at the Oaklands. So if you find that this doesn't turn on, there is a power switch here you need to locate. It's just next to these two plugs. Just ensure that this is on the on position. If this is on, then it should be working. You'll find on the front panel there are 4 buttons. This one does the light underneath, so just push that and the lights will come on. Push this again to turn it off. Now there are 3 fan speeds. You've got 1, 2 and 3, 3 being the most powerful. To turn on the fan, you push 1 first, and then if you want a bit more power, go to 2, and push 3, the most power, and then to turn off, push the buttons in sequential order until this is off. We advise you to use the extractor fan whenever you're cooking to remove any smells and any steam, etc. that will be generated. That's how to use the extractor fan. Thank you.